Hello everybody, little computer I've been building here today, trying to get it managed up here. Don't like how that looks in there, but we got most of the stuff hidden away. Bought the case brand new. It was supposed to fit an ATX board. No. Nope. Would not fit a full-size ATX board. So, I was screwed. So I sat and thought about it. I'm like, well, because I had a basement here where the power supply was hidden and everything. So I took that out. By doing so, I was able to lower the board all the way down in there, as you can see it. And now the power supply fits in there. My I/O. Everything fits in there just snug as a bug in a rug. I got a I/O card, 20 port SATA card that goes here. There'll be none but stacked solid state drives here when I get done. So yeah, there's probably at least 26 of them in there. Right now I got 3 NVMEs. It's only 64 gigs of RAM in it right now. Oh, 32 gigs of RAM, sorry. So, definitely got to update that. And that's another thing too. This was supposed to come with 3 color changing fans, ARGB, addressable RGB fans in the front, and it came with none. Just had the one in the back. So, talked to the seller. They're going to ship me out a new fans and controller. I figure maybe somebody swiped it out of it. Figures my luck, right? But doesn't look too shabby. Don't mind the reflections there. But, like it. Get a little close look up here. We got one NVMe hiding behind the power supply. Then you got the red one, which is my boot drive. And we got a purple one up there. So those are my 3 primaries. Now I got to put all my secondaries in yet. As you can see, there's no fans in the front because the seller kind of screwed me. But we got our AIO in there, which is working great. Temperatures are usually right around 29, 28. See? Let's reboot this thing and see what happens. Got a very dirty monitor. Oh, Jesus. Damn Windows, I said to reboot. It's got an application running. Do you want to keep running the app? See if we can get into the BIOS here. See what my temperatures are. Boy, I need to clean this monitor. That's what you get for poking at things. But when there's something on the screen, you don't notice it too much unless it's black. Let's see. Smart fan 5. CPU fan. We're sitting at 2930. My pump's running. That's the pump RPM. AIO water pump. So she's happy. Then I got my option CPU fans. They're up on the radiator. And my like case fans and stuff. So we're happy with it. It's a locked processor, so to get a little kick in the ass out of it, I up the base clock a little bit. We are running our XMP, so she seems to be happy. Let's go to easy mode. There's the fans that we got running right now. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4. Yep, 4. This one's not a fan, it's a pump. Yeah, it's some pretty crappy memory, but it works. He's not having any memory. And CPU frequency, 1.3 gigahertz. Right now I'm running that on all cores. I need to take and set my power profiles so it stays at full speed longer. But all right, there you go. That's what I've been working on for the last day and a half. Catch you all later. See ya.